Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable vibration for calls on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now this feature basically allows your phone to vibrate whenever you receive an incoming call. So if you'd like to enable it, simply open the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select sound and vibration. And then within the sounds and vibration settings, scroll down until you find the vibrate for calls. So if you'd like to enable it, simply tap on the toggle switch icon, and that will enable vibration for calls. But if you'd like to disable it, simply tap on the toggle switch icon, and that will disable this feature. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.